You know what? Let me ask you something. Can your penis still perform like when you were in your 20s? I'm talking about that rock solid hardness, that confidence, that vitality. Or have you been telling yourself, Aya, I'm old already lah, what to do? Listen carefully, because what I'm about to share with you today can change everything. In less than 1 minute, maybe even just 30 seconds, you can experience a hardness you haven't felt in years. And you know what's the best part? The ingredients are sitting right there in your kitchen cupboard. Not some expensive medicine from the pharmacy, not some dodgy supplement from who knows where, just 2 simple ingredients that you mix together. That's it. No joke, no bluff. I'm going to reveal everything today, so don't click away. Stay with me until the end and you'll understand why thousands of men across Singapore, Malaysia and the region have already started using this method. I'm Dr. Michelle Ong, and I've been a urologist for more than 25 years. Trust me, I've seen it all. Now let me be straight with you. If you're a man over 60, I want to ask you something important. Does your penis still have that fighting spirit? Can it still go the distance? Or have you already given up thinking age has caught up with you? According to research from the Singapore General Hospital, about 40% of men above 60 complain about erectile difficulties. But you know what's even more shocking? Most of them just accept it. They tell themselves, old already lah, normal one. But let me tell you something, as a doctor who's been in this field for over 2 decades, this thinking is completely wrong. Your penis losing its power is not just about age, it's about your blood vessels getting clogged, your male hormones dropping, your lifestyle habits going downhill. These things work together to block blood flow to your penis. The good news? All of these can be improved. I'm not kidding you. In my 25 years of practice, I've seen 70-year-old men, even 80-year-old men still going strong like they're in their prime. What's their secret? They have the right knowledge and they take action. They improve blood flow, they boost their testosterone, they make sure blood reaches where it needs to go. Master these basics and your penis can be young again. Simple as that. So what exactly do you need to do to seriously improve your sexual function? After treating hundreds, maybe thousands of patients over the past 25 years, I can tell you this with confidence. You only need to focus on 3 things, just 3. And these 3 things don't require expensive medications or complicated treatments. Anyone can start today. Let me break it down for you. First thing, rejuvenate your blood vessels. This is the most important one, okay? When your penis gets hard, it's because blood rushes in. Makes sense, right? If your blood vessels are blocked or stiff, doesn't matter how much you want it, cannot get hard. Research from our local universities and international studies all show the same thing. As we age, the inner lining of blood vessels deteriorates and something called nitric oxide decreases. This nitric oxide is what makes your blood vessels expand. A less nitric oxide means worse blood flow. So the first step to getting your hardness back is to make your blood vessels young again, to get your blood flowing smoothly. Confirm plus chop. This is the foundation. Second thing, activate your testosterone. You need your male hormones working properly. Testosterone controls everything, your sex drive, your muscle mass, your energy levels, your sexual function, all of it. Studies show that testosterone starts dropping from your 40s, and by the time you hit 60, it can be half of what it used to be. When testosterone drops, the nerve signals to your penis get weaker, your libido goes down, and naturally your ability to get hard also suffers. But here's the amazing part. You can increase this hormone naturally just by improving your diet, exercising, and sleeping better. The ingredients I'm going to share with you today actually contain compounds that boost testosterone activity. Not bad, right? Third thing, take care of your nervous system and blood flow together. This one might surprise you, but your mental state matters a lot. When you're stressed, anxious, or tense, your autonomic nervous system goes haywire and your blood flow suffers. Your penis is a very delicate organ. If your brain thinks there's danger, it immediately cuts off blood flow and you lose your hardness just like that. That's why it's so important to relax, sleep well, and keep your mind at ease. The ingredients I'm going to share also have stress-reducing properties that help regulate your nervous system naturally. So if you can achieve these 3 things, rejuvenate your blood vessels, boost your male hormones, and relax your mind and body, age doesn't matter anymore. 70, 80 years old also can. I've seen it happen hundreds of times in my clinic. Now let me tell you what these magical ingredients are. Before I reveal the recipe, I want to give a shout out to someone special, Mr. Tan, our oldest viewer at 92 years old from Bedok. Mr. Tan, thank you so much for your support and your encouraging comments. Your spirit of continuous learning despite your age truly inspires me. And to all of you watching this right now, I want to ask, how old are you? Please leave a comment below and tell me your age. Your age is not a limitation, it's your new starting point. Now let's get to the main event. The ingredient you should start using today, vinegar. Yes, you heard me right. Vinegar, that same vinegar sitting in your kitchen for cooking. I know some of you are thinking, vinegar meh? You serious or not? Yes, I'm dead serious. This common household vinegar is the key to pumping blood into your penis and giving you that instant hardness. Let me explain why vinegar is so effective for male sexual function, and I'm not just saying this anyhow. There's solid scientific evidence behind this. The acetic acid in vinegar triggers blood vessel expansion. Vinegar's main component is acetic acid, and research shows that acetic acid helps dilate blood vessels. Specifically, when acetic acid enters your body, it promotes the production of nitric oxide, which I mentioned earlier. This nitric oxide expands the blood vessels in your penis's corpus cavernosum, allowing blood to rush in quickly. Here's the beautiful part. Vinegar doesn't force your blood vessels open like medication does. Instead, it helps your own body naturally expand the blood vessels. It's safe, it's natural. In fact, a study presented at a medical conference here in Asia in 2015 showed that regular vinegar consumption helped prevent arterial hardening and improve blood flow. The research found that elderly people who consumed vinegar regularly maintained more flexible blood vessels compared to those who didn't. This means vinegar acts like a natural blood vessel dilator, keeping your blood vessel age young and supporting the blood flow your penis needs. Vinegar also impacts sex hormones indirectly. Recent research suggests that vinegar consumption may promote male hormone secretion. How? Acetic acid improves gut health, which helps your body absorb the vitamins and minerals needed to produce testosterone. So vinegar doesn't just improve blood flow, it also has a positive effect on your hormone balance. It's like a multi-purpose ingredient, you see? Now, what kind of vinegar should you use? Any vinegar can or not? Well, the good news is that a regular apple cider vinegar or rice vinegar from the supermarket works just fine, but try to choose pure vinegar with fewer additives, okay? Black vinegar and balsamic vinegar also have benefits, but avoid products with too much sugar. I recommend good old-fashioned apple cider vinegar or rice vinegar, but here's the thing, vinegar alone is not enough. To maximize the power of vinegar, you need to combine it with another ingredient that I'll reveal next. This combination doubles the blood flow improvement effect and makes it work even faster. Vinegar is just the preparation stage. The next ingredient is the final piece that will make your penis rock hard in no time. So vinegar opens up your blood vessels and prepares them to receive blood. But what is this ultimate ingredient that supercharges the vinegar's effect? The answer is ginger. Yes, ginger. I know, you're thinking, ginger, doctor, you playing with me or what? But listen lah, when you combine ginger with vinegar, it activates blood flow instantly and gives your penis a hardness you haven't experienced in ages. Let me explain the science. Ginger contains powerful compounds called gingerol and shogal. These compounds directly stimulate blood vessels and promote blood circulation. Plus, ginger raises your body temperature, which improves blood flow to your extremities, making sure blood reaches your penis properly. When this effect combines with vinegar's blood vessel expansion properties, it's like having a dual engine powering your blood flow improvement. Think about it. Two engines working together cannot fail one. This combination has even been studied right here in Asia. A 2019 experiment presented at a food science conference showed that people who consume both ginger and vinegar together had about 5 times more blood flow compared to those who took just one or the other. This proves how excellent the compatibility between vinegar and ginger really is. Here's why you must take both together. Ginger alone can promote blood flow, but it's weak at expanding blood vessels. Vinegar alone can expand blood vessels, but it can't push blood through with enough force. But when you take both at the same time, vinegar opens up the blood vessels while ginger forcefully pushes blood through. This double effect activates blood flow to your penis dramatically. That's why you cannot just take one, you need both. Now, if you want to boost the effect even more, you can add other ingredients like garlic for nitric oxide production, onions for blood thinning effects, or honey to reduce stomach discomfort and provide energy. But for beginners, just start simple with vinegar and ginger first. If you add too many things, the taste becomes terrible and you won't be able to continue. Keep it simple, keep it sustainable. Okay, I've explained the theory thoroughly. Now it's time for practical application. How do you mix these ingredients? When should you drink it? How do you make it taste better? I'll explain everything clearly. The method I'm sharing requires no special equipment, no expensive health supplements. Just use what you already have at home. And the process is so simple, you can start today. Some of you might even feel changes by tomorrow. Let me tell you what you need. First, the ingredients: 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar or apple cider vinegar, about 10 grams of fresh ginger, either grated or finely chopped, 1 teaspoon of honey to make the taste smoother, and about 150 milliliters of water. The honey helps raise your blood sugar gently without burdening your body, and it provides energy too. Choose fresh ginger for maximum effectiveness. Now, the preparation method. 3 simple steps. Step 1, prepare the ginger. Wash the ginger thoroughly with skin on, then grate it or chop it finely. The skin contains important nutrients, so don't waste it. Use as much as possible. Step 2, mix the ingredients. Pour water into a glass, then add the vinegar, ginger, and honey. Stir everything together well with a spoon. Important note here, use room temperature water, not hot water. Hot water will destroy the important compounds in ginger, so room temperature is best for proper absorption. Step 3, drink it slowly. Don't gulp it down in one shot. Take 30 seconds to 1 minute. Sip it slowly and let it sit in your mouth a bit. This helps the blood vessels under your tongue absorb the nutrients and the effects appear faster. When's the best time to drink this? You can drink it at different times depending on what works for you. 30 minutes before bed at night, first thing in the morning when you wake up, or after light exercise or stretching. These timings help activate blood flow and enhance the male function improvement effects, especially at night before sleeping. When you drink it then, your blood flow adjusts while you sleep, and by morning, your natural hardness comes back more easily. Now, some of you might be thinking, I cannot stand sour taste lah. If the sourness of vinegar really bothers you, try these adjustments. Use apple cider vinegar for a milder taste, increase the honey amount slightly, or add a bit of lemon juice to adjust the flavor. These simple tweaks make it much easier to drink and you can continue without struggling. The most important thing is to drink it every day. Don't just try once and stop. One time won't give you dramatic results, but if you continue daily, your blood vessels will definitely rejuvenate and blood flow to your penis will stabilize. Your body is built by your daily habits. Start with 1 week can. I guarantee after 1 week, when you wake up in the morning, you'll feel something different. You'll know what I mean. Now that you know the recipe and how to make it, let me share real stories from men who've tried this. I want you to hear what changes they experience so you can believe this really works. I know some of you are thinking, can this simple thing really work or not? My age too old already lah. It's natural to have doubts. That's why I want to share these real testimonials with you. First, let me tell you about Mr. Lim, 68 years old from Tampines. Mr. Lim told me he hadn't experienced morning erections for years. He thought he was finished, that his manhood days were over. Then one day he learned about this vinegar and ginger recipe. He tried it half believing, half doubting. Guess what happened? On just the 3rd morning, he felt hardness for the first time in ages. He told me, "Doctor, I cannot believe Sia." Morning time can stand again. I almost cried, you know. The emotion in his voice when he shared this with me was so genuine. Next story is about Mr. Tan, 72 years old from Johor Bahru. Mr. Tan said his marriage had gone cold for years. He and his wife barely talked anymore. He thought maybe if he could improve himself physically, his wife might smile again, so he kept drinking this recipe. After about 1 week, something amazing happened. Conversations with his wife naturally increased, and they even went on a trip together. Their relationship improved dramatically. When his wife said, "You look energetic lately," he felt so happy. His voice sounded like he'd gone back to his youth when he told me this story. Last one I want to share is Mr. Wong, 65 years old from Woodlands. Mr. Wong had just started experiencing difficulties and was looking for a method that didn't involve medication. When he first tried this recipe, you know what happened? Just 30 minutes after drinking it, he felt blood flowing throughout his entire body, and he experienced hardness in his penis for the first time in months. He said, "Doctor, no medicine also can work so fast. I really didn't expect." The surprise and joy was so clear in his words. You can do this too. What these testimonials have in common is that everyone started with doubts, but because they took action, they gained new changes and happiness. Of course, results vary depending on individual body conditions and lifestyle habits, but if you have the right knowledge and the will to continue, your body will definitely respond. I promise you that. Now let me talk about safety and precautions so you can continue this practice with confidence and peace of mind. As I explained, this recipe uses only vinegar and ginger, natural ingredients you can find anywhere. Unlike over-the-counter medications or prescription drugs, there are basically no side effects to worry about. But there's one important thing I want to emphasize. Precisely because these are natural ingredients, it's crucial to use them safely and correctly. Let me explain why this recipe is safe and what you should watch out for from a urologist perspective with 25 years of experience. First, let's understand the difference between this and medication. Pharmaceutical erectile dysfunction drugs do work quickly, I won't deny that, but these drugs forcefully dilate blood vessels, which can cause side effects like headaches, facial flushing, and heart palpitations. For people with heart conditions or blood pressure issues, these medications can even be life-threatening. That's the harsh reality. Natural ingredients, on the other hand, work gently. Vinegar and ginger work with your body's mechanisms to promote blood flow naturally. They don't force anything. Instead, they soften blood vessels, smooth blood flow, and support male hormone function. These effects appear gradually without burdening your body. That's why there are no sudden changes or side effects, and anyone can safely incorporate this into their routine regardless of age. However, don't overdo it, okay? Even the safest ingredients can burden your body if consumed excessively. For example, drinking too much vinegar at once can irritate your stomach, causing stomach pain, acid reflux, or discomfort in your esophagus. Ginger in large amounts can make your body too hot, leading to hot flashes or heartburn. The key is to take the right amount daily, consistently. Follow the portions I recommended and continue without forcing yourself. If you have pre-existing conditions, consult your doctor first. If you're currently taking any medications, have a weak stomach, or have conditions like diabetes or high blood pressure, please check with your regular doctor once before starting. Even though these are natural ingredients, adjusting to your individual health condition is the safest and most reliable approach. Remember, healthy sexual function improvement requires balance. Let me say this one more time. Improving sexual function isn't just about what you eat. Exercise, sleep, and stress management all matter too. This recipe is just one part of the equation. When you review your entire lifestyle, you'll experience more definite results. Now, before we continue, let me answer a question I saw in the comments. Someone asked, "Doctor, can my wife drink this too? Will it have any effect on her?" Excellent question. Yes, women can absolutely drink this mixture. For women, especially older women, this combination can help with circulation issues, improve overall vitality, and even help with menopausal symptoms. The blood vessel health benefits apply to everyone, not just men. However, the specific sexual function benefits we discussed are primarily for men because of how male physiology works. For women, they might notice better energy levels, warmer hands and feet from improved circulation, and overall better wellness. So yes, your partner can join you. In fact, it might be good to drink together, make it a shared, healthy habit. The vinegar and ginger recipe is powerful on its own, but honestly, relying only on this is a bit of a waste. Your body changes significantly based on your daily lifestyle habits. If you want to enhance the effects even more and maintain hardness longer, I recommend incorporating these 3 lifestyle changes as well. All of them are easy to start and easy to maintain. Number 1, improve blood flow through light exercise. The simplest and most effective method is walking. For example, just walking slowly around your neighborhood for 15 to 20 minutes daily activates your leg muscles and gets blood flowing throughout your entire body properly. Male sexual function especially depends on lower body blood flow. If you sit all day, blood circulation stagnates and blood can't reach your penis easily. Simple stretching or foot massages also effectively promote blood flow. The key is doing it daily within a comfortable range. Don't push yourself too hard. Number 2, activate male hormones with quality sleep. During sleep, your body repairs and regenerates itself. Research shows that male hormones are secreted during deep sleep periods. This means if you can't sleep properly, no matter how much vinegar and ginger you consume, you won't get sufficient results. Avoid looking at your phone or TV for long periods before bed. Create a quiet environment and prepare yourself to relax into sleep. After a deep, restful night, your penis will definitely be stronger than yesterday, I guarantee. Number 3, protect your blood vessels by reducing smoking and drinking. This one might be uncomfortable to hear, but I have to say it. Cigarettes and excessive alcohol harden your blood vessels and ruin the vessels you've worked so hard to rejuvenate. Of course, you don't need to quit completely right away. Start by reducing gradually. Maybe today reduce by 1 cigarette, maybe limit alcohol to once a week. These small accumulations protect your blood vessels and ultimately protect your sexual function. Small habits create big changes. Just these 3 things: walk a bit, sleep well, don't smoke or drink too much. Practice these and your body will definitely change. When you add lifestyle habits as a foundation to the power of vinegar and ginger, you can regain an even more youthful and vibrant version of yourself. Let me wrap things up now. You've learned a lot today. You learned that vinegar and ginger can improve blood flow and help you regain penis hardness. You learned how to easily incorporate this into your daily life. You learned that by reviewing your lifestyle habits, you can become even more youthful. Maybe you're still thinking, can I really do this? Am I too old already? But let me tell you clearly, as a urologist with over 25 years of experience, age is just a number. The moment you think too late already, your body follows that belief. But the moment you think, I can still do this, your body starts regaining its youth. I've seen men over 80 still living actively and enjoying their lives. What they all have in common is they don't rely on expensive medications or fancy treatments. They treasure their daily lifestyle habits and diet. Most importantly, they never give up. You can do the same. Face your own body, start changing bit by bit from today, and results will definitely come. Start today, not tomorrow. People who say, I'll start tomorrow, usually never start. So right now, go open your fridge. Check if you have vinegar and ginger. If you don't have, buy them on your way home today. Then tomorrow morning or even tonight, make your first drink. Even if you're thinking, can this really work or not? Damn, it doesn't matter. The moment you take that first step, your body starts changing. Nobody else can change your life for you. No matter how much I advise you as a doctor, no matter how much support you get from others, if you don't take action, nothing changes. But flip that around. If you take action, you can restart your life at any age. 70, 80 years old, doesn't matter. So many men have regained their confidence as men. Now it's your turn. Let me ask you one final question. How many more years do you want to keep your penis active? 5 years, 10 years, or until your very last day? If your answer is yes, if you still want to remain active, then start changing from today. No, start from this very moment, and next time share your success story with me. Dr. Ong, my hardness came back. I'm waiting to hear those words from you. I really am. Try the vinegar and ginger recipe I shared today. You don't need to rely on medication, and age doesn't matter. Your penis can regain its original power. And if you feel the effects, please leave a comment below and share your experience. Your voice will give courage to other people facing the same struggles. I'll continue bringing you the latest information to help you regain your health and vitality. So subscribe to this channel right now so you don't miss the next video. Finally, leave a comment telling me where you're from. Maybe I'll feature your area in the next video. Until then, stay healthy and have a wonderful day ahead. Take care, everyone.